Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. My house guest has gone home back to Mexico. So she got there maybe 2 hours ago. I miss her already. She's glad to be back home, as we all are when we travel and enjoy ourselves and then get back home. You're glad to be home, because I know I am. Well, I didn't film for a few days because I wanted to pour my attention to her and all the people that were coming over while she was here to see her. And my brother even came to see her. And we were planning a barbecue for this coming Friday, but we called it off. And this Friday is my brother's birthday. But anyway, I'm about to make some nachos. When Nikki got back to Mexico, before she went home, she stopped at a restaurant and got her some tacos, y'all. So I got a taste for something like that. So I love nachos, so I'm making nachos. This is what I'll be making. I'm using 2 pounds of lean ground beef. Got 2 of these. I'll be using 3 packs of taco seasoning mix. I'm supposed to use 1 packet per pound of meat, but I'm extra. You know what? I think I do what they tell me. There's less sodium, so I use just 2 packets like they tell me. Okay, for the liquid, I'll be using reduced sodium chicken broth. This is, when it's done, this is what I'll be putting on mine. The Pace hot picante sauce. And for the cheese on nachos, I'll be using the spicy nacho cheese, the Campbell soup, and the Fiesta nacho cheese. This one is new. This is what I use a lot of times. And I'll be using the spicy Doritos for my chips. Let's get started. Let me lower this so you can see what I'm doing. I'm tired, y'all. Tired. Okay, I'll be using my, what you call this, time and table cookware. It's the black and gold speckled cookware. Let's see what I'm doing. I'm cooking on the stove today. Ask Walter, what's he gonna eat any? I might eat some, I might eat a little. And what does that really mean? I mean, he gonna beat me to the pot, eating it. So I just fix more than enough. Smell it, make sure it's fresh. Put this on to the side to catch all my garbage. Wash my hands. My hand touched that meat. Wash my hands again, because I always wash my hands before I cook, y'all. One of the things my mama taught me. Be a clean cook. Okay. Let me turn this on. Let me see. In the meanwhile, I'm going to pour this soup mix in the saucepan. I got the overhead fan on. That's the humming sound you hear. It's less noisy than my air conditioner. This is the way this looks. Got a little, I don't know what that is. It's red. Pimento or something. I ain't gonna throw the cans away just now. When I add my liquid to the meat, I'm gonna get every last bit out these cans. I'm not messing up my fingernails. I wonder if I can open this. It has a pop top. Let's see. I don't think so. Nope, it ain't working. You can see that plastic deep enough. No. The meat up, and because I use lean ground beef, I'm not going to have any grease to be dipping out. This looks the same, but it's supposed to be spicy. You know the same. When you fix it this way and use the seasoning packet, you don't need any other seasoning, especially salt. The salt you need is in the seasoning packet. And you can choose to use less of the seasoning packet if you're really cutting down on your sodium intake. Open these. These are both great value. One is original taco seasoning mix, one is just taco seasoning mix. Open this. This is for the pop top. Yep, and smell it. Okay. That's good. Ooh. And when you use this as nacho cheese, you don't follow the directions on the can. I think it tells you to put water in it. Don't put no water in it. You're gonna dip this, warm it up and dip it right onto your nachos. Sometimes I use a nacho cheese. But this is good too. I'll be back when I'm doing something. Okay, well my food is cooking. I'm going to prepare this. This is a takeout container I got from somewhere. So I'll be putting my chips on this side and the meat on this side. Don't tell me I'm country. I already know it. I used to drink out of jelly jar glasses. I'm going to put this salsa on the meat and the peppers on the meat. I think I will put some cheese on the chips. Okay. Letting this liquid reduce, leaving the top halfway on it. Let me see what the cheese is doing. Be careful of the cheese because it will get hot and pop all over the place. You don't want it popping on your arm. It's hot. Move that back some. Turn this up. I'll be back when I'm dipping up my food, but I'll let you see how this looks. Just a minute. How the meat mixture is looking. And like I said, that liquid is not grease. I'll put this on here like this. Let's see what this cheese is doing. Steamed up camel. I'm ready to eat. Turn this off. I'm using a slotted spoon to dip this up because I don't want all this juice in my bowl. Drain it. One more. That's a lot. I'm a growing girl. Y'all say I'm growing sideways, huh? It's hot, so we turn that off. Using a regular big spoon to dip up the cheese onto the meat and the chips. A little bit more cheese. Okay, that's good. Putting the salsa, well, picante sauce on the meat. And this is the hot picante sauce. I think I want it on the cheese, on the chips too. This is where I wish they would fix it. And you go places and buy this kind of stuff. Do it up right. I'm putting the peppers. We'll put some on the chips. Yeah, I poured a little juice in there. Okay, let me take this off so y'all can see. Here are my nachos. Yum, 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 yum. We'll give it a taste test. Okay, here's my portion. I'm gonna give it a taste test, even though it's hot. Piping hot. Spicy and hot, hot with heat. Take the chip and dip it. I usually put shredded lettuce. I don't have none, so you know. Good. So, it's good. It's spicy. I found some tortillas in the fridge. So Walter will probably eat his with tortillas. It's good, y'all. I want to thank you for watching. Give me 2 thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Bye.